my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and we are at the sixth episode of our Shanti series, and if you are someone who wants to try out on YouTube, who wants to start your own YouTube channel, then this video is going to be really helpful for you, because in this video I am going to share why you should start your YouTube channel immediately. So if you are interested in this space, then please keep on watching. And before we dive into this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. And make sure that you follow me on my Instagram as well, because where I upload a lot of new content that I do not upload here. So make sure that you follow me over there as well, because the content over there is completely original than this. Then this is mean like I do not upload anything here that I upload there. So make sure that you follow me on my Instagram as well, and I upload videos on every Thursday and Monday and Thursday. So make sure that you visit me on every Monday and Thursday as well. And now with that being said, let's dive into this video. Now guys, if you are someone who wants to start your own YouTube channel, then let me tell you guys, this is the correct time to start your own YouTube. If you are watching this video during quarantine and lockdown period, as in the sense like I am uploading this video in August. So if you are someone who is watching this video in August, or when the lockdown period is still on, then this video is going to be really helpful for you guys, because I'm going to tell you why this period is going to be very helpful and easy to start your own YouTube channel. And not only that, I'm also going to share some tips that will help you to start your own YouTube channel without spending much and without thinking much, and that's how you will start your own YouTube channel, and you can thank me later. Now, why am I saying that this is the best time to start your own channel, guys? And admit that we are doing nothing. So if you are someone who work, then yes, you have your office work, because we all are working from home. But if you are someone who if you are a college going girl or boy or school going person, then I'm sure that you do not have much thing to work on. I'm sure that your online classes have been started by now. Still, you have more time than the people who are working. So yeah, this is the best time to start your own YouTube channel, because you will have a lot more time than you will have after this quarantine period gets over and we will back to our normal life. The life is still normal now, but the time we will start going to our offices, colleges and schools, then the life is going to be way more difficult, and you will not be able to focus on your Instagram thing and your YouTube thing and whatever you want to do. You will not be able to spend your time on that. You will be busy in your own life, career, passion, whatever. But if you want to start your own channel, then this is a great time to start, because you will have a lot more time. You will be able to create more content. So if you write down your own topics, ideas, then you can just keep recording them, keep editing them, and keep saving them, because by the time we will get back to our normal life, where we can go colleges, offices, and wherever we want to go to work. So maybe you will have more content in your stock, so you will not have to work much, and you will not have to take pressure कि यार मेरे को अभी YouTube के लिए वीडियो बनानी है, मैं डाल नहीं पा रही है, मैं डाल नहीं पा रहा, या ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है कि मेरे पास कंटेंट खत्म हो गया है. पीपल आर आस्किंग मी कि भाई कहाँ है कंटेंट, व्हाई आर यू नॉट अपलोडिंग. तो आप स्टॉक करके इकट्ठा करके रख लो अपने पास, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू पोस्ट इट लेटर. मतलब लेकिन बना लेना, ऐसा ना हो कि आप रक्षाबंधन का कंटेंट दिवाली पे क्रिएट करें. सो मेक योर ओन काइंड ऑफ अ लिस्ट, दैट विल टॉक अबाउट लेटर. सो मेक योर ओन काइंड ऑफ अ लिस्ट, बट मेक श्योर दैट you do make your videos regularly, and you have a lot more time than usual, guys. So please invest in that. And if you are someone who wants to start your own YouTube channel, then please trust me, this is the best time to start. Now the second point that I want to include here is that we will have to spend less. So if you start your own YouTube channel during this quarantine lockdown period, then the thing what will happen that we are all at home, or maybe if you are going out to work or somewhere where if you are still working, you still have to travel. I don't think that there are any office who are calling people at office on everyday basis, I think you have to go twice a week or once a week or thrice a week. You still have time, you still have days where when you work from home or you sit at home and do nothing, then utilize that time, because of that also you are spending less in. So we have to admit the maximum we spend in our daily lives is on traveling. If you are in Delhi, then you know metro's expenses are मतलब कहाँ हम 10 रुपये दिया करते थे एक स्टेशन के लिए, नहीं 8 रुपये दिया करते थे एक स्टेशन ट्रैवल करने के लिए, कहाँ हम 15 रुपये देते हैं अब एक स्टेशन ट्रैवल करने के लिए. कहाँ मैं गुड़गांव पहुँच जाया करती थी कितने रुपए में, शायद 20-22 रुपये में, अब मेरे को लगते हैं 60 रुपये. Is this a kind of a joke? Like 56 or 60 के बीच में मेरा कुछ ट्रैवल का प्राइस आता है, and that's a lot. And still I have to pay more because I have to travel. My office is like 3 kilometers away from the metro station, Huda City metro station, and still I have to pay 100 or 150 bucks to reach my office after traveling in metro as well. So that's a lot of money that I spend on my traveling every day, like 5 days in a week. So yeah, that's how my expense, like my money goes. And so I'm not traveling right now, so I can invest in my YouTube channel. So that's how you can also do it. So what I do, I'm not spending anything on like camera or equipments or tools, but I'm spending in my content. So if I want to create content, I'm spending that. So if I want to do a beauty video or a makeup video, so I'm buying that product, or I'm reviewing them, and I'm making videos on them. So that's where I'm spending, and that's go with you as well. And we have to accept that we are saving a lot more than usual, so we can take a little bit out from our savings and spend on our YouTube channel. So you can also do the same thing. The next point I want to include here is that make sure guys you want to do it. Now by this I mean that make sure that you want to do it. You are not just being impromptu, or you are not just being super excited or overly excited to by watching a lot of YouTube videos and influencer content, bloggers content, and you are just getting influenced. That's okay if you are getting influenced by them. It's okay. I also got influenced by people who are starting their own YouTube channel, but I was sure that I want to do that since a very long time. I started this channel in April, but then I knew that I want to do this, and I will do this for a long time, and I will not give up. And I haven't given up right till now, because it's been like April, May, June, July, September, August. It's been 5 months, and I still not have a huge fan following. I'm still under 100. When I'm uploading this video, I'm giving you tips on how to start your own YouTube channel, and this is the best time to start your own YouTube channel. I still have lesser than 100, not 60. No, I am over 60, but I have lesser than 100 subscriber on YouTube. I'm still making this video because if however subscribers I have, if 5 of them want to be a YouTuber and I am able to inspire them, then it will be the absolute world for me. I will be very happy. So yeah, anyway, coming back to the point, make sure that you want to start your own YouTube channel. Make sure that you do not leave it in between by getting disheartened and discouraged and demotivated and whatever. Make sure that you are working on your YouTube channel constantly. Make consistency, make continuity, maintain continuity and everything, and make sure that your content is good. That we'll talk about in further later in this video. But make sure that you want to make your YouTube channel, you want to start your own YouTube channel, and you are very what about it, you are very क्या बोलते हैं यार, sure about it. You are very sure about it. Now the another point I want to add here is that guys, be patient because good things take time. Yeah, that's the truth. That's a really good fact, that if you want to start your own YouTube channel, then make sure that you give yourself and your channel and your subscribers and your audience a good time. because that's how YouTube work. You don't have to, put money on ads to run the ad campaigns on for your videos. No, you don't have to do that. That one day will come one day. What? If that makes sense, that day will come one day when your videos go viral and you will get a lot more subscribers suddenly, and you will be, thrown with a lot of subscribers on your face, and you will not be able to control your excitement and your happiness. I don't know when that time will come to me. I don't know, I'm still waiting for that time. It's been like 5 months and none of my videos has went viral. In these 5 months I'm still creating video, and that's how YouTube work, guys. This is all about video. That one day will come. That's why I'm being very sure about this, and I'm pretty sure that when that day will come, I will have a lot more followers and subscribers on my YouTube channel. So yeah, please be patient and give your YouTube channel, your content and yourself a good time, because sometimes it takes 5 months, sometimes it takes 5 weeks, and sometimes it takes a year also. So make sure that you do not lose hope and you keep creating your content, because it can happen that you do not make subscribers in like 1 year, but you will have subscribers, like you will have 1 lakh subscribers all of a sudden. That can also happen. So make sure that you give yourself a good time. So guys, this was about why you should start your own YouTube channel as soon as possible during this lockdown period. Lockdown in the sense when we are sitting at home. अब नहीं रहा lockdown, अब तो unlock चल रहा है, but still we are home, isolated, quarantine, whatever. But you should start your own YouTube channel if you want to. Make sure that you start it by today itself, whenever you're watching this. Anyway, and that doesn't mean that if you are watching this after this vaccine has come and like we are in our usual life, you still want to start it, you start it. You just start it. People will follow you. The whatever, the destiny will follow you, and you will reach the point you want to reach. So make sure whatever you want to do, you just do it. Now, when I have pretty much convinced you to start your own YouTube channel, you might be wondering now how to start a channel. So don't worry guys, I'm also going to tell you that how to start your own YouTube channel. No, I'm not going to tell you that make your Google account and then do falana and do dhimkana, this and that. No, that's, I am pretty sure that you know, and if you don't know, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will make a video on that as well. But and you can also Google it, like YouTube it as well. Like there are so many people who have already explained in detail that how to make your own YouTube channel. Yeah, in detail. So anyway, what I'm going to tell you now is what all equipments and tools you will require to start your own YouTube channel. And trust me guys, except then a phone, that you require nothing. You require literally nothing than a phone. Now, what matters the most in your YouTube videos are the background, the lighting, and above everything, it's the content that matters the most. Even if you don't have a good background, even like the lighting matters, of course, the background also matter, of course, but it's the content. There are so many YouTubers who do not have like great setup, the like beautiful, the perfect like background or setup. Still they have a huge grand following because their content is amazing. It's like I cannot recall anyone right now, but of course everything matters, but you can build that later. If you can spend on the earlier stage as well, then that's a good thumbs up. If you can if you have that kind of a money that you can spend, then. But if you don't have, then please don't get disheartened, because this is not going to affect on your content any which way. Make sure that your content is good, and that's all what matters the most. The only thing that you will need is your camera and a notebook and a glass of water. Make sure that you have that, and a pen, of course, to write down. You need a good pen or pencil or whatever, and a diary, of course, because so there are times when things come to your mind, you can definitely note down in your phone as well, but it's always better to maintain a journal, and I'm maintaining this one. It also helps me to kind of maintain my writing habits. So that's how I like to work. But still, if you want to write it down in your laptop or in your phone, because that's always handy, so you can also do that. But I prefer to write it down in a journal or kind of something, in a diary or in a book or in a copy, anything you want. So okay, the water is necessary because whenever you are speaking for a long time, your throat gets, you start breathing fastly, and you go breathless. So yeah, that happens to me so many times. So I have started keeping a glass of water, but now I'm wondering that a glass of water is nothing. I need a bottle or two maybe. So the videos go longer and I run out of water, as you can see here as well. So yeah, there is hardly one sip left. Anyway, that's not the point. So make sure that you have a glass of water, you have a journal always in your, to note down whatever you want to write. Just write down the ideas. If you want to write down a script as well, then you can also write down the script as well. For lighting, what you need, you can just buy a small ring light that comes for like 100 or 150 bucks. If you think that the lighting in your house is like the worst ever lighting, then you can definitely buy your own ring light, which comes like for 100 or 150. I will leave link in the description down below, so it will be easier to buy. And if you can spend a little more, then okay, you can definitely spend more. It's completely up to you. Just go to Amazon and buy your own light, guys. क्या करना है इसमें, कितने कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है. Anyway, अगर फिर भी कुछ भी नहीं करना है, if you want to spend zero money, then what you have to do is just get outside. घर से बाहर नहीं जाना है, balcony में, window के पास. If you have a window in your room, then मतलब आपकी तो लाइफ सेट है. यू नो नथिंग, यू जस्ट विंडो से सनलाइट आ रही है, नेचुरल लाइट आ रही है, उसमें तो इतनी बेस्ट वीडियोस बनती है ना, दैट यू विल नेवर नीड क्या बोलते हैं, रिंग लाइट और एनीथिंग, एनी आर्टिफिशियल लाइट, बिकॉज बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी क्लैरिटी आती है. यू कैन ऑल्सो वर्क इन द नेचुरल क्या बोले जा रही हूँ मैं, पानी पीना चाहिए. So that's why you need a glass of water or water, because tongue slippings इतने ज़्यादा होते हैं. So that's why you need a natural light, and you will be done. फ़ोन के साथ काम हो जाएगा, पानी के साथ हो जाएगा. I think I have said all the things that I wanted to say. 7-8 वीडियो बनाने के बाद पता चला होगा कि मेरे पास वो क्या कहते हैं, ट्राईपॉड है, तो मैं उसको यूज़ करने लगी. लेकिन अभी मैं एक मेरी नीस का टॉय ऑर्गेनाइजर है, उसके ऊपर मैंने एक बॉक्स रखा हुआ है, उसके ऊपर मैंने कैमरा रखा हुआ है, पीछे सटाने के लिए, उसको स्टैंड सपोर्ट करने के लिए मैंने एक और बॉक्स रखा हुआ है. एंड दैट्स हाउ एम आई शूटिंग. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली शो अ पिक्चर ऑफ दिस tripod, of my like self-made tripod, DIY tripod. So yeah, it will be easier for you to identify कि ऐसे भी आप काम कर सकते हैं. Otherwise you can stack your books and it's going to work. So yeah, that's all you need to start your own YouTube channel. So if you are someone who wants to start your own YouTube channel, then please make sure that you start your own YouTube channel as soon as possible. And the irony is, the person who has the least following on YouTube is teaching you how to start your own YouTube channel. But that's okay. If 5 people get inspired of this, then again it's a thumbs up for me. It would mean the absolute world for me. So yeah, I hope you get inspired and you get influenced, and I have convinced you to start your own YouTube channel. If you want to, please keep these things in your mind, so it will be easier for you to work. And I think that's all I wanted to say in this video. I will see you in my next video, guys. But before that, make sure I have influenced you to make your own YouTube channel, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'll be on YouTube. So make sure that you subscribe and like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also share it with your friends, family and everyone, and whosoever wants to start your own YouTube channel. If you know any friend who wants to start their own YouTube channel, then please share it with them. It will be definitely useful for them. So share, comment, like, and follow me on my Instagram as well. As I said that I upload a lot of content that I don't upload here. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Till then, Bye bye. And if you start your YouTube channel now, so please let me know in the comment section. It will be great. Bye. I mean, if you start your own YouTube channel by watching this video, then please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, bye.